Want to make your images or shapes look softer and more polished in Canva? Today, you will learn how to round the corners of any image or shape in Canva quickly and easily. Start by opening your Canva account and either create a new design or open an existing project. Add the image or shape you want to work with by dragging it onto the canvas. Once it is on the canvas, click on it to select it. Look at the top toolbar and click on the Edit Image button if it is an image, or simply select the shape if it is already a graphic. On the menu bar above, you will see a small round icon or slider called Corner Rounding. This tool lets you adjust how sharp or smooth the corners appear. Click and drag the corner rounding slider to the right to make the corners more rounded. Drag it to the left if you want them sharper again. You can stop adjusting at any point until you get the look you want. This works well on rectangles, squares, and even some frame styles in Canva. Once you are happy with the rounded corners, position your element where it fits best in your design. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more Canva tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments.